Hello CNC Router users. We will be soon starting the training on CNC Rotary Design and how you can do the programming for that design to run in a CNC router machine. Before that, you have to have a proper CNC router machine with a rotary attachment with it. So in that you can have 3-axis rotary system or 4-axis rotary system or 5-axis. If it goes, then it can be a statue type of thing, and there also rotary kind of attachment is given. So it's depend upon the different way the machine is built. So basic 3-axis machining and the next 4-axis machining, the difference is that in the programming side. So designing side approach, and in 3-axis rotary, what is the limitations, and 4-axis rotary, what is the limitation, and 5-axis, how much it can do. All this thing you must understand before getting to designing of rotary designs, and you should understand the capability of the machine that you are using also, and the kind of software you are using for the CNC router work designing. That also you have to see that certain softwares have certain kind of features so that they can perform better in some cases, and there is more options also. Different kinds of options may be available in a particular software, and particular software may be very simple. It can also used for, it also have a lot of capabilities, but many people don't know that how it can be done and all those kind of. So here I am explaining this using the ArtCam software. So whatever the capability is there in the ArtCam for doing this kind of designs. Now ArtCam is termed as Carco. They have same. So if you have to go for licensed version of software, then you have to have Carco, and to buy new software they can go for Carco. So the same features has more developed more into the Carco. So you can use that also. So whatever I am explaining to you here, the basic concept is same in both the cases. So whether you are an ArtCam user or ArtCam 2018 user or in Carco latest version user, you have almost similar commands available there, and you can apply in both the software. Okay, so here the more important that you must understand the concept behind that rotary designing, then you have to apply it. So the design, when you look at the design, then we can understand what kind of design is this, and what kind of design that we have to do in the computer or in the software, so that in programming side, whether we have to do as a 2D machining or 3D machining, like that. So relief machinings or vector machining, we have to decide which way we can perform that rotary operation. I'll be explaining these all things in my coming videos. So stay in touch, and if you want to know something more about this rotary designing, and whatever the doubts you have, you can now itself put in the comment, so that I'll also include those your doubts also will be answered in the coming videos. So please, what's your requirement as a rotary machine is concerned, and what kind of CNC router machines you are using. So if you put in the comment box, I can use those questions to answer in the video, so that you will get the answer. Thank you very much. Continue watch and subscribe, and those who want to join can also join in my channel. So thank you very much.